What's up, y'all? It's your girl Reese, and welcome back to my space. If you're new, welcome. If you're OG, thank you for rocking with me for another week. We're at the shoe wall, the shoe and bag wall. I changed it up a little bit. So today we are doing an unboxing. It's been a long time. I haven't done an unboxing in a while because I feel like I've just been wearing my things right away. I've had this bag for a couple weeks and I haven't worn it yet. So I was like, let me do an unboxing. So y'all, my new baby. Meet my Gucci Blondie. Y'all, I didn't even know the name of this bag. I just went into the store and fell in love with her. She is so cute. Look, please, 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 please. Also, please take in your girl bought a colorful bag. Okay? There's been a few additions, a few like colorful additions actually. So be proud of me. The girl who loves a black bag, loves a black bag, loves a black shoe, loves a black look. A yellow bag? Come on. I love yellow though. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. I love green first. Green is my first love before green was a thing. Before Bottega green was a thing, I loved green, okay? But yellow like me, okay? I've always loved yellow. So when I saw this cutie of a bag, I wanted her in white, but I got her in yellow. So let's go through the like stats and whatnot first. I have these all written down. I have a list for you guys. You guys know have a list, the informations. So this is the Gucci Blondie in yellow leather. This is 1990 USD, 2,565 Canadian. It is a top handle and a crossbody. I'll show you guys a crossbody bag in a minute, or the crossbody strap. It is, the top handle has a 3.1 inch drop, adjustable shoulder strap with a 20.5 inch drop. Yep. Double zipper closure right there with the round interlocking G, 6.5 inch width times 5.9 inch height times 3.5 inch depth. It comes in 9 different colors, and that is the details of the bag. It is leather, calf leather on the outside, and on the inside it is cotton. So let me just talk about this. So we bought this at the meatpacking, Daryl bought this for me. I was in New York a couple weeks ago and Daryl came too, but I went for a girls trip, and one of the mornings Daryl and I spent together. We had a couple things to do together in the city, and then we were in the meatpacking district, and I had saw the Lululemon store, and I didn't even see the Gucci. The Gucci was right on the corner. It's huge, but I saw Lululemon because I'm in like gym bro era, so I was like, Lululemon, let's see if there's sales stuff. And then he was like, there's the Gucci store, and I was like, it's so nice. It's huge. It's like literally, I think 9,000 square feet. That's what the guy said. The essay that was helping me. It's brand new. It's freaking stunning. It has 2 floors. It literally has everything. Women's, men's, ready to wear, everything. It actually had the New York Yankees Gucci collab, the loafers. I think there was other things too, but what I keyed in on was like the loafers are so cute. I took a video, so I'll post it up here. So freaking good. So if you guys have the opportunity, go there. Also, the service is phenomenal. So we went into the store and I saw this bag, and I've seen it before, but I just haven't picked it up. I think it's adorable. Like, I thought it was adorable when I saw it in the window here in Toronto, but I don't like to touch things unless I'm like, I'm gonna buy them. I'm gonna commit to buying them. So I was like, cute. It reminds me of the Chanel vanity bag, but I'm not a Chanel girl. I just don't care. Like, I have a couple of Chanel bags, like classic things, but I'm not a big Chanel girl at all. I like fun, expressive things, and Chanel gives me grandma. Sorry, don't come for me. Anyways, so it reminds me of the Chanel vanity bag. One of my girlfriends actually has the Chanel vanity bag, and I don't love it. I just thought this was like fun, like super adorable and fun. I actually wanted it in white when I initially saw it, but then I bought that white bag right there, and I was like, and then I have that one. Maybe chill out on the white bags. So I was like, maybe a fun color. So we went inside, we looked at all the colors. I think they had like 6 colors in the store, but there's 9 in total. And I was like, okay, I love the yellow. And Daryl was like, okay, if you love the yellow, we'll get you the yellow. I'm like, ooh, you don't mind me a bag? Yes. Awesome. So the man, we sat down and the man was like running around the store trying to find me a fresh one instead of the display, and they didn't have it in store. And we were leaving the following day. So he was like, we could order it to your house. And I'm like, we live in Canada, so I could just buy it in Canada. It's not that serious. But the man was like, no, I'm going to find it for you. So he's like running up and down, calling all the places. And he comes back and he's like, we can courier it to your hotel, which I thought was like great service. So we were staying at Nomo in Soho, and we were going to go grab food before we went back to the hotel. And then I was going to go out with my friends in the evening, and so was Daryl, but he was going to be there later than me at the hotel. So he was basically like, yeah, we'll be there until like at 6-ish. So they're like, okay, cool, we'll come after 6. And then Daryl wasn't going to go out until like 10-ish. So there was time frame. Yeah, we got back to the hotel, probably like 5:45. By 6:15, there was a knock on the door. They couriered this thing. I have it all in a vlog. I was just so impressed with the service. Like, that was so fast. Anyway, so they got it from the Gucci, the Saks Gucci, because the display had a little mark on it and it wouldn't rub off. Like, I don't really care. It's not that serious bag. If it came off when he rubbed it, I would have taken it, but it didn't come off. So I was like, okay, I don't want something with a black mark on it, y'all. So yeah, so they got it from the Gucci at the Saks, and they couriered it to us really, really fast, and I freaking love it. So, hello. Okay, so now let's talk about the bag. It has the Archive GG interlocking symbol. They brought this back, which I think is really cute. I used to have a bag with this on it, but I sold it so long ago. It wasn't like a good shaped bag. I feel like this is a little more forever. Like, it's a square. The other one was kind of like lopsided, like a flat. Although I think they brought that one back too. But yeah, this is their iconic Archive GG. It has 2 zippers to open it. So on the inside, it has like the canvas, the like Gucci canvas that they have in all their bags. And then there's like a little bag that this comes in, the strap, but I just threw it in because I had the strap on recently when I went to the grocery store. So it just comes with the dust bag here that doesn't have Gucci on it. And then this is the strap, and you can change the length of it. But what I love about it is it's just not, it's like a clip. You'll see that? Like how, so cute. Okay, clip on. One side, 2 side. Honestly, I thought this would be a really, really great like evening bag. Not like formal evening bag, but you know, go to dinner and stuff in some jeans. Like I'm wearing jeans right now, and top handle without the strap. I thought it'd be really, really great. And I thought that I would probably never wear it with the strap, but I have been. Look at me. Look at me. But you know, I just need the function of my arms. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys it on my body. This is it on me. So cute. Now, like I said, I would personally wear it without the strap for like an evening out. Like a little mini bag with no strap. Like this. Girl. How cute are you? I cannot. Like, you're kidding. Vanity case. But yeah, I'm super obsessed with this. I love the color. I actually really, really love the black too. The black is so good. And the black, I think I would wear all year round, whereas this is definitely going to be reserved for like spring, summer, or like vacation bag. I would take this on vacation. She's cute. She's so cute. There is nothing I don't love about this bag. Actually, I will say that you kind of have to set it down to unzip it, or like lean it against something to unzip it. But that's the only thing I don't like about it. Okay, sorry. The inside, I'll show y'all, has the flap, like a random card flap. And then I guess I have authentication certificate in there. That's it. That's the bag. It's a cutie. It's a little adorable cutie review. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of my cute new little bag. Yeah, I'm a Gucci out, y'all. I love a Gucci. I love a Gucci. I actually bought the horse bit. recently too. I think like in the fall. So if you guys want a review of that, or not even the fall, the winter, a review of that, maybe we'll do that next. But me and my cutie little bag, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!